you could get leaks under your sink from different places. In this video, I will show you how to fix a leak if the leak is coming from the ball connection of your waste pipe system. But if your leak is coming off any of your connections of waste pipes, then watch my other video, the link in the description. If you look at the ball connection, you can see that the sealing ring is a bit off the center. Step number 1. Unscrew the retaining nut by turning it in the clockwise direction like this until it is completely removed. You also would need to remove another connection. So I am removing the pipe from an elbow connection by pulling it out. Here you can see a screw. If you rotate this screw in the anti-clockwise direction, you will loosen the screw a bit more, and then make sure the sealing ring is all the way in and everything is fully sealed. Once you're happy, turn this screw in the clockwise direction to tighten it. So the reason for the leak was because this screw was loosened and the sealing ring was hence loosened, and hence the water coming out from this connection. Now that we have put back the sealing ring and tightened this screw, the connection now should be sealed. Connect the waste system trap back on and you're good to go. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments. You could also find other videos on the screen as well as in the description.